Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to create a nav bar by using a HTML and CSS. For that, I am going to create a new particular file and I am going to save the file name as nav.html. So now it is going to save under the HTML format. So now I am going to save the file and now I am going to create a HTML tag. So next I am going to create a head tag. So within the head, I am going to create a title nav bar. So next here, what I am going to do is within the head section, I am going to create a meta tag. So now I need to specify character set equal to UTF-8. So now I am going to close the tag, and here I need to specify the tag which will be viewable for all the contents. So for that I'm going to type the meta name. So I'm going to type the viewport. So next I'm going to type content. So here I need to type the width. So width equal to device width, and here I need to specify initial scale equal to 1.0. So now I have closed the header tag. So next here I am going to specify the link tag. So now where you are going to link the HTML and CSS. So now here I am going to create a link. So now here I need to create a relation. So now here I am going to type the style sheet. So next I am going to mention the href. So now the href tag I am going to save as nav1.css nav1. So now I am going to close the link tag. So now head tag is closed. So now I'm going to open the body tag. Within this body tag, what I'm going to use is so now I am going to create a nav for creating the nav bar. So now here what I am going to use is I'm going to use a another list so that it can able to show a certain kind of content. So now what I am going to use is here I'm going to type the another list. So here I am going to type the list item. So now here I am going to use a anchor tag. So href equal to, so now here you can able to specify the hyperlink. So if you are going to refer the self, so I am going to use a hash. Here I am going to type the name of the tab is home. So because within the pages you might have seen home and different pages about us, courses offered, placements, and our success stories, and contact us and other kind of things. So if you are going to consider a college website, what are the basic things which you are going to create? Here just I have copied the list items. So now I have pasted here. Here I am going to type about us. So if you want a preview, I am going to show the preview. So how I am going to type these particular list items. So next I am going to type the courses offered. Here I am going to type placements. Next I would like to add success stories, and I would like to add contact us. So now I have saved the program. So these are the items which we have got, but what we need to do is we need to create a CSS effects in order to get this particular nav bar on top of your web page. So now I'm going to create a one more program file, new text file. So here I'm going to save the program file, save as nav1.css. So now it identifies the type of the program is belongs to nav.css. So now here I'm going to use the effects body. So here within the body tag, and I'm going to specify the font family. So we are going to use a colon. So which particular font family you are using, a that particular font you can use. And if you want to specify margin and padding, you can specify margin equal to 0, and if you want to specify padding, so padding is also 0 I am mentioning. So later on we will see how this particular will work. Now we are going to apply the styles for the nav bar. So for that one I am going to apply the effects for nav tag. So now I'm going to set the background color. Here you can select from the palette which particular background color you would like to set. So now I have selected background color is black, and color, so on background color which color you are going to set. So now here if you want to set this particular color, or you can able to change some other color, yellow. So now this particular color we have set color. So now here we are going to mention padding. So padding is 5 pixels, which I have mentioned. So within the nav bar we have mentioned another list. We would like to specify so how another list should appear. Now I am going to type style type list style type. So which particular way you are going to appear. So but here if you want to apply the disk, it is will be apply the disk square. It will be appearing in a square. But what I am going to type the style sheet is, so it has to appear in the line, so that I am going to use a inline flex. So it is going to appear in the inline flex. So now I am going to mention padding. So padding equal to 0 and margin is 0, so which I am going to specify. So just we have mentioned padding and margin equal to 0. This particular text has been changed the numbering. So earlier the numbering was there. Earlier the particular bullets are there. So but once we have mentioned padding and margin equal to 0, so it was set to 0. The next thing, so we need to we have already mentioned the we have applied for nav bar and we have applied for body nav bar and another list. So now what we have to apply effects for list item. So now I am going to create a list item. So now what I am going to do is, so how it is going to display. So now it is going to display and inline. So I have typed inline. So once you are going to type the tag inline, what it is going to show, it is going to show all the contents within the single line. So now we would like to display the margin. So how it would like appear. So margin equal to 10 pixels. So now whenever you have specified the margin, the size of the margin is adjusted to 10 pixels. So but you would like to appear margin left or right. So now here I have typed the right. So margin is 10 pixels. So next, for what you need to apply. So here we have mentioned a anchor tag within the list item. For that particular anchor tag, what I am going to do is I am going to mention the anchor tag what you want to apply. So here I am going to apply the color. So color for anchor tag. So here I have applied for Alice blue. So once if you are going to apply the Alice blue, it has shown in that particular color. For example, if you want to apply some other color, aqua, azure, bisque, so big and some other color, if you want to choose, you can able to apply that particular color. So now what I am going to apply is corn silk. Next, what I am going to do is, here I need to specify the cursor. There are different types of cursors are there. So hand symbol has to be appear whenever I am going to display that particular cursor. So next, text decoration is none, which I am going to type. Otherwise so text decoration equal to none. If you want to decor something on your text, you can able to specify. So otherwise no need to specify the decoration. So if you want to specify which color you would like to apply, so text should be applicable in blue, otherwise some other color. So now we have applied the particular blue violet. So otherwise no need to apply that particular color. Next, what I am going to do is I am going to specify the padding. So here padding is much important, because it is going to show whenever you are going to place a cursor over that particular position, 15 pixels. So here you can able to observe so how you are going to see the services. So next, whenever you are going to place the particular mouse over that one, so here you can able to notice it is going to show the hand symbol. Okay, so now what I am going to do here, if I am going to specify crosshair, it will show some plus symbol, so it is a crosshair. The better thing is hand free to clickable. So now I have changed it to hand. Now whenever you are going to place the mouse over, So h over, so here I have opened the tag. Now you can able to set the background color, which color you want to place. So already black and some other color is there. Here I am going to select a burly wood. If you are going to place the mouse over that one, so h over background color is burly wood, and if you want to change some other color you could change. Now border radius, and you can able to select some particular pixels, 5 pixels. So now here you can able to see what are all the courses are offered and whatever the thing. So now I will show in the live server. Now you can able to see this particular thing: home, about us, courses offered, placements, success stories, and contact us. In this manner you can able to create a nav bar, so that that will be redirected to the particular page. In the home page, for every site, they have to return to the particular page. For that purpose we have created this nav bar. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.